Sit, boy. Sit, boy! Considering all I have to do to make you obey is say the words sit. Whoops, sorry about that. Sit, boy!
Why, you?
Sit, boy!
What'd you do that for? I don't get it.
Sit, boy!
Hey.
Sit, boy!
I'm gonna cover up the well for good. Then you won't be able to escape to that strange error of yours. Good riddance!
Sit!
Huh?
Sit, sit, boy! Sit!
Would you stop with that? Tell me, Kagome!
Sit!
That's right. Big sit. Huh?
They say that karma includes bad thought. Inuyasha, sit, boy! Sit.
Her dream is my nightmare.
Inuyasha, sit.
Will you stop doing that?
Inuyasha!
Kagome, now!
Sit! Inuyasha, sit. Koga, maybe you better leave us for now.
Would you stop doing that?
Sit, boy!
You let Koga get away again. There's no one who can beat me now. I dare anyone to stop me.
Inuyasha!
Nani?
Sit, boy!
One victory and he thinks he's invincible.
Inuyasha, sit, boy! Up and sit! Now he's dead. Inuyasha, sit, boy!
Such an impudent fellow.
Sit! Inuyasha, sit, boy!
What'd you do that for, Kagome? I'll kill you!
Sit, boy! Inuyasha!
No, wait, Kagome, don't!
Sit! Serves him right.
Hand it over, it's mine!
Sit, boy! Figures. Trust you to turn this into a brawl. Hey, what are you doing to the cat? Sit, boy! Dinner time! Inuyasha, sit! Cheese, what are you trying to prove?
Man!
Sit!
Sit, you say? Well then, Kagome, why don't you stand for us?
Why does she do this to me?
Oh yeah, this is helping my concentration. Sit, boy!
Over here, over here!
Wait, I say!
No way!
Demon!
Sit!
What?
Will you two give it a rest already? Inuyasha, sit!
Would you stop doing that?
Inuyasha, sit!
If you people are hiding anything from me, I swear I'll destroy your whole village!
Inuyasha, sit, boy.
Kagome, how could you?
Stay there, keep quiet.
Please, not a Fields again.
Sit, boy. Inuyasha, sit, boy.
Why does she do it to me? Kagome's heart is a lot smaller than you might think.
Inuyasha.
Nani?
Sit!
What'd I tell you, Jinenji? Would a kind-hearted person do that?
So stupid.
I'll say.
Yeah.
What'd you do that for, Kagome?
Inuyasha, sit!
Thanks a lot, traitor.
Would you get off my back?
What? Off your back? Yeah. Come on, Kagome, say it.
All right, sit!
Hey, wait, I was right. You are angry after all.
Sit boy! 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 Sit boy!
I told him not to provoke her unnecessarily.
Oh man, that is really gotta hurt.
Stop!